output NC with subprogram. In ZW3D 2019, the linear array toolpath can be output as a subprogram, which is obtained by move or pattern method. First, view the existing toolpath. Next, we can edit this toolpath by the move method. Use the point-to-point way, and then check Output as Subprogram option. Click OK to get the copied toolpath. Second, edit the toolpath through the pattern method. Use linear pattern way and set reasonable parameters. Check Output as Subprogram option. Then, get the toolpath of the array. Next, set up the machine. Select ZW sub CL post and click OK. Then, output the NC code for the first transform toolpath. We can find that this NC code contains the subprogram. Check the second output NC file. The linear array toolpath is outputted as a subprogram. This improvement makes NC code more reasonable and more concise.